In a village, there was a small boy named Ollie. Ollie was a cheerful and creative child. Every night, he would climb up to the roof of his house to gaze at the stars in the moonlight and try to turn his dreams into reality. One night, when the moon was shining brightly, Ollie thought about how he could try to get closer to the moon. He called his friends and shared his dream with them. Together, they decided to build a big rocket. They worked day and night and finally prepared a beautiful rocket. One night, as the moon glimmered in the sky, Ollie and his friends decided to launch the rocket. They placed the rocket in the village field and lit a candle. The rocket soared into the sky, and everyone cheered with joy. The rocket gradually approached the moon. As it got closer, Ollie felt that the moon's surface was soft and shiny. He thought that if he landed on the moon, he would be able to see its beauty. Suddenly, the rocket exploded with a loud bang, and Ollie realized that it was just a dream. He woke up from his sleep, but the memories of the moon's beauty and the twinkling stars remained in his heart. Ollie thought that even though he couldn't go to the moon, his creative thinking and hard work would always lead him to new dreams. He decided that one day he would become a scientist and turn his dreams into reality. That night, while gazing at the moon, Ollie began to dream anew with a fresh sense of hope.